After hooking, the stitches are reduced. Make 11 short stitches. Next, we hook the 3 medium and long pins. Hook well and the first pin draws the connection. Lap 12 is to standing pins. Just now I've already hooked one, then another one stands up. A long needle plus. It's also a circle around the needle. The needle that was drawn came through. There are 3 coils on the needle. The long needle is pulled over the first 2 coils. Wind the wire and pull the last 2 coils. Wrap the thread and pull one out of the same eye. Wind the thread and pull through the first 2 coils on the needle. Then wind the wire and pull the last 2. The next stitch is a medium length stitch plus a stitch. Pull all 3 coils at once. When you're done, hook 14 short stitches. After 14 short hooks, hook 2 more reducer pins. Just subtract 3 stitches at once. Thread the bottom half of all 3 needles at once. Pull through 3 coils at once. Then reel it in. This is a subtract needle. After the subtraction stitches are 14 short stitches. Then a medium length needle and a needle. If you don't have a marking button at the beginning, there are 3 needles to be counted, because we had the standing pins last time around. 1, 2, 3. If there's any space for a button, just put a pin in the marker and pull it out. Round 13 is a reduction of 16 short pins. First hook a reducer. It's still in the needle that was drawn. Start hooking a reducer. Hook up and put on the marker. The next one is 16, short pins. Be careful not to double the eye of the needle when hooking. Subtract a stitch that had been pulled apart, and then onto a new needle. Shiro short hooks into extra hooks. Right under his mouth. Finally, there are 2 more needles. Hook a reducer. (14到17 loop hook 38 short pins. (38小时 hooks. After hooking the short needles for 14到17 turns, subtract 15 short needles from the 18th turn. First hook a reducer. (15 short stitches followed. Check the 15. It's 2 reduction pins. And then 15 short stitches. Hook a reducer. Let's get the first pin up. The 19 laps 25 sets of short stitches and reduced stitches. Check 5个 loops first. After the hook, there are two reduction pins. Finish these two reduction pins. Take hook rope so short falls. It is possible to encounter this kind of disconnection when reconnecting the wire. This is inevitable. Just pull it together when that happens. This one goes back and the next one is short. The short needle only pulls half out. It's the same way we change wires. Push the wire in. Then bring the wire out. The next stitch is a reduction stitch. Don't bring the cord yet. Tighten both ends at the back. Tighten it and put it on the needle. Bring the line again. This is a reducer. Then the next one is a short needle coming through. Press down on the thread. And then you hook a reducer. Hook the first pin to draw the connection. The wire ends that have just been connected are also tightened. Cut it out and put it inside. Round 27 sets of short stitches minus stitches. Hook a short pin. Then reduce the needle. This is the first set of scissors. Don't pull it out after you hook it. Put the padded cotton down. Tuck the head in first. Stuff his body with cotton. Plug in the cotton and pull out 20 laps. Put it in at the first stitch. Then pull it over and pull it out. Pull the drop and tie. RCE turns its 3 reduction pins. After the hook is finished, the W is a reduction needle. When you're done, add 3 more reduction stitches. The circle of hooks is finished and the first needle is drawn. When you pull it out, leave it about 60 centimeters. Cut and pick out. Thread the long thread onto the needle. The little mouth on the bottom. The 2 needles are threaded together. Then thread the thread to the center. Side stitch. There's no fixed stitch here for the final stitch. Just sew it up. After sewing, thread it anywhere. Next, hook his ears. Use coffee-colored thread. Ring up 6 short needles without hiding. Then to the hand first. Put the thread on your hand like this. Go around the middle finger. Pinch the intersection with your thumb. Go inside the circle. Wrap the wire around the top small circle. Go through the big circle. Draw the line again. Wind the thread through the coil on the needle. This is a short needle. Hook 6 pieces and pull the ends tight. Leave about 30 centimeters to cut straight out the coil. Do the same for the next one. Sew the ears on. First thread the long thread of the ear to the needle. Ear here. Now it has a natural arc. Put it with the dented side facing forward. Look at the sunken side facing forward. And then this long line is down here. Insert the needle at the gap between the 4th and 5th stitches, and then from the mouth. The first yellow starts counting 9 stitches, threading through the 9th here. Wear this side of the ear line. Just wear anything under it. We tighten it up and put it back on. Put it in the middle and put it out. And then in the middle and through the middle. And then put it on again. Wear it under your body a few times at will, to keep the yarn from falling apart. And then cut it off. The other end of the ear, and put it on your body. Just take this straight in. Scissor. Same thing with this ear. The concave side faces forward. The long line is right up here. Count 9 from the 2nd circle. To get here is to go down the 2nd circle. Under the ears. After the ears are sewn, I'm gonna hook his legs with the coffee-colored thread. The leg is looped with 6 short needles. There's a 2nd loop here. Make a mark on the first short needle. Count the numbers. Hook 6 take-up ends. Put it away. Then draw with the first needle. The thread in the back goes on the crochet hook. And hook a standing pin. The next round is 6 short pins. Mark the first short pin. Six short needles hooked to lengthen the coil. Now it forms a natural arc. It's the reverse side out. I'm gonna flip it over. Turn it right out. The thread at the back can be cut off once it is taut. Turn this coil over. Thread it through the crochet hook. Stretch to the first needle here to draw. Drawing is pulling through the two coils on the needle. Now let's tighten the first coil. Tighten and then pull through the previous coil. Pull the needle down like this. Pick out the coil after the lock. Leave about 30 mm and cut back. One leg is all you need. Do the same for the other 3 legs. Hook all 4 legs. Sew the legs onto his body. There is no fixed position for the leg position. Just sew it evenly under its body. Thread the thread through your body at will. Cut off any excess thread. Just take a look and sew it symmetrical. Cut out a dark coffee color, about 60 centimeters long. Divide this section from the end of the thread into 2 strands. Put on a split strand to sew his eyes. You can tie a knot here for the nose thread. Go in from anywhere, right up to the edge of the nose. Pull the knot in. It's above the first row. Edge out. Go in the middle, and then you put it on the side. This is where the top nostril is. The position of the nostrils runs through both sides. I'm gonna put it on the side, too. And then through the middle, too. Go down in 3 rows. You only wear this mouth once. It goes right through the middle to find the eye. My position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th row. A little more than 2 squares. It comes out in the same position here. Middle of 4. And put it right through your eyes. Wear it again. Make your eyes more visible. You can wear it back and forth several times. When you're done, thread it somewhere else. Then go back and forth. Keep it from unraveling. Cut off.